Welcome. Imagine a gentle spring shower. We usually think of rain as pure and life-giving, but sometimes rain is hiding a serious secret. We're talking about acid rain. What exactly is it? Well, all natural rain is slightly acidic because it mixes with carbon dioxide in the air. This natural rain usually has a pH of about 5.6. But when we talk about acid rain or acid deposition, we mean rain, snow, fog, or even dry dust that is much more acidic, with a pH usually below 5.0. It's an invisible problem that has a very visible impact on our planet.
So, where does this extra acidity come from? The main culprits are two invisible gases, sulfur dioxide or SO2 and nitrogen oxides or NOx. These gases are released into the atmosphere primarily when we burn fossil fuels. Think of the big power plants that generate electricity by burning coal, the smoke from large factories, and the exhaust coming out of our cars, trucks, and buses. These industries and vehicles are constantly releasing these pollutants. Once they are high up in the atmosphere, these sulfur and nitrogen gases mix and react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals. This chemical reaction creates tiny droplets of sulfuric acid and nitric acid. The wind can carry these acidic droplets for hundreds of miles before they finally fall back to Earth as rain, snow, or fog. This means that a factory in one country can cause acid rain damage in a completely different one. It's a true global issue. The consequences of this acidic precipitation are far-reaching and severe. First, let's look at the aquatic ecosystems, our lakes, rivers, and streams. When acid rain falls into water bodies, it lowers the water's pH, a process called acidification. Many fish, amphibians, and other aquatic insects cannot survive in water that is too acidic. It's particularly harmful to baby fish or larvae, which may not even be able to hatch. Worse, the acid leaches harmful toxins, like aluminum, from the soil into the water, making it even more toxic for the animals. Next, the forests and plants suffer greatly. Acid rain damages the leaves and needles of trees, making it harder for them to photosynthesize and create food. It also strips the soil of vital nutrients like calcium and magnesium that plants need to grow. A weakened tree is then less able to fight off diseases, pests, or withstand severe cold. We often see large brown or dying patches in forests severely affected by acid rain. Finally, acid rain even affects human infrastructure. It speeds up the corrosion of metal structures like bridges and causes the deterioration of stone buildings and historic monuments, especially those made of marble or limestone. Famous landmarks around the world are slowly being dissolved by this pollution. The good news is that we have made progress. In many parts of the world, governments have introduced strict laws and technologies to reduce the emissions of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Things like installing scrubbers in power plants to clean the smoke and developing cleaner cars and fuels have helped significantly. But the fight isn't over. We can all play a part by making conscious choices, reducing our energy consumption, using public transport, or choosing to walk or cycle more often. By understanding the causes of acid rain, we can commit to cleaner energy and a healthier atmosphere. The rain can and should be a source of life, not a silent threat to our planet. Thank you.